a dialogue is the way forward out of the crisis that we're having today in our country. We've agreed that we give people an opportunity to be heard, to express themselves, to come out with the grievances which are actually ailing our country today, so that a lasting solution can be found. Because of restrictions of resources or limitation of resources, we've agreed that everybody else will bear their cost of coming to this meeting. But we want it to be a really very engaging conversation on the way forward, so that we deal with fundamental issues that are affecting our society today. We know there are many, but they are actually solvable. But we need to begin by identifying, secondly, coming up with the solutions to these problems. So we think that this forum will work and will help us to move forward. We want representatives from political parties, from religious groups, from the civil society, from working community, from the employers and professionals and intellectuals of our country. The youth particularly, because as I mentioned earlier on, youth actually the majority in our society today, and we want them to be properly heard. And then the several issues, some of them which have been mentioned already, the issue of unemployment, the issues of corruption, the issues of ethnicity, debt in our country and debt servicing, and generally management of the economy are issues that we need to talk about. So we look forward to getting this process started. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So I think we come out national. We walk across. You can walk, guys. Karate nane kuweka. We can walk. Baba yako hapo msalimia. Acha mzee asalimia baba.
Baba. The famous guy Didi. One year is a very short time. Usually, we go and put a chicken around this time.